Stock number 410-20P. It's a 2016 Nissan Rogue. It does have a key, it does not start. See, the front bumper's no good, the grill's no good, the headlights are no good, the hood's no good. The radiator's damaged, radiator core support's bent. This fender over here is no good. Passenger doors got paint problems, parking lot dings, dents. Back door's no good. It's damaged. Quarter panel's got a little dent. Rear bumper's no good. Deck lid looks alright. Yeah, the quarter panel's got a parking lot ding. Back door's got a couple little parking lot dings. Front door looks good. Side view mirror looks good. Front fender's bent. It's got some bends to it. The steering wheel airbag is deployed. The driver's seatbelt's locked. It does have a key. It does not start. Seatbelt's locked. Does not start. The seatbelt's locked. Does not have a sunroof. Seatbelt's good. Seatbelt's good. This seatbelt's locked. This is stock number 410-20P. It's a 2016 Nissan Rogue. It does have a key. It does not start.